Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. If today is your first time of visiting this channel, you're highly welcome, loves. Do so good to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that you can be the very first to get my videos as soon as I upload. Today guys, I'll be sharing with you on how to prepare Ofe Ugba, also known as shredded oil bean soup. This soup is a delicious soup and you're going to love it. Alright, so this soup has been on my mind and I'm super excited to share. So here I have Ugba, then okra, here I have vegetable ugu, then crayfish, salt, pepper, seasoning cube and onion. Then this is my pomo and smoked fish, palm oil, then my beef. So basically these are what I'll be using, to prepare this delicious soup. So let's get into the preparation. So guys, I've washed my meat and seasoned with onion, seasoning cube and salt. So I'm adding the grounded crayfish with the pepper. Then I've added the prepared pomo. I cut them into smaller sizes. Then the fish I washed and deboned it, so I've also added it. Then add some water to the level of the things inside. Then cover and leave to boil for some minutes. So guys, I've added the chopped onions and we'll also leave for some minutes to boil. Then give it a gentle stir to avoid the fish from breaking into pieces. Then I'm adding my Ugba. I added the palm oil to the Ugba to a kind of make the losing its thickness rather. So I might decide to add more oil or not. If the oil is okay, no need of adding more oil. Then cover to boil for some minutes. Add the seasoning cube. Then I've added salt also, salt to taste. Give it a gentle stir. So guys, I'm removing the fish to avoid it, from breaking into pieces because I'll be adding my okra. And for the okra, what I did is I cut the okra, then I pounded it. All right, I didn't just cut it and leave it like that. I pounded it so that it will be more stretchy. All right, it will draw more. So that was why I pounded the okra. So because I'll be, turning the soup, I had to remove, the fish to avoid it, from breaking into pieces. So guys, like I told you, this is the okra. I've added it, and like I told you guys earlier, I pounded it so that it will be more stretchy, it will draw more. And why I removed the fish was because I was going to stir this. I was going to stir and stir. So I removed the fish to avoid it from breaking into pieces, like I told you guys earlier. So after turning, we'll be leaving it to simmer. Then I've added my ugu leaves. Then you keep turning. Then I've added the fish which I removed earlier. And give it a gentle stir because I've added the fish. So guys, we leave to cook for some minutes. Remember, we've added the vegetable, so we don't need to leave it to overcook. So as you guys can see, our soup is almost ready. This is a delicious soup. um Once tasted, you're going to keep cooking it. In fact, the first place I tasted this soup was in my maternal home. People from the eastern parts, we know about this soup more. It's called Ofe Ugba, like I told you, but the people of Owe call it Ofaraga. Ofaraga. So that is what is mostly known as in Owerri. So Yoruba people know it as Ofaraga, but generally it's known as Ofoba. So guys, our soup is ready. Hope you guys are seeing it. Looks appetizing and delicious. Guys, you will love this soup once you have a taste of this soup. For the recipe measurement, I'll be posting um the link to my blog in the description box. So you go check out the recipe measurement on my blog, right? So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.